Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Breno, and I share helpful updates about jobs, scholarships, relocation opportunities, and everything you need to kickstart a life abroad. In today's video, we'll be talking about labor jobs in Luxembourg with visa sponsorship. Yes, you heard that right. Manual and skilled labor opportunities in one of Europe's richest countries. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so you don't miss future updates, and of course, share this video with someone who may benefit. Quick disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes. Always do your own research or speak to a certified immigration consultant before making decisions. So why Luxembourg? This small European country is home to major international companies, strong workers' rights, and high wages. It's one of the wealthiest countries per capita and has a low unemployment rate. While many think only highly skilled professionals are in demand, Luxembourg also needs labor workers in industries like construction, hospitality, sanitation, caregiving, and logistics. That's where the opportunity lies for foreigners looking to work and live in Europe, especially if you're open to hard work and gaining international experience. Labor jobs refer to hands-on work that may or may not require formal education. These include construction workers, warehouse staff cleaners and janitors, delivery drivers, factory workers, care assistants and helpers, kitchen staff and dishwashers, hotel housekeepers. These roles might sound basic, but many of them come with decent salaries, health insurance, and even visa sponsorship, especially when local labor shortages are high. Now to the big question, can foreigners actually get labor jobs with visa sponsorship in Luxembourg? Yes, it's possible, especially if first, you apply directly to companies willing to hire internationally. Second, the company proves that they couldn't find a local or EU worker to fill the role. And third, you meet basic requirements like a clean background, good health, and possibly basic French or German skills, depending on the job. Some recruitment agencies and employers in sectors like construction and caregiving are actively recruiting non-EU workers, especially from countries in Africa, Asia, and Eastern Europe. Just note most sponsorships are for long-term roles, so they're looking for committed, hard-working people who are ready to stay and contribute. Here are some platforms where you can find labor jobs in Luxembourg. EURES portal. Jobs across Europe with visa support info. Adam.lu, Luxembourg's official labor agency. Luxembourgjobs.lu. Various job listings. Indeed.lu, search for visa sponsorship and filter by category. LinkedIn. Some companies directly list sponsored roles, Facebook groups, jobs in Luxembourg, foreigners in Luxembourg, and similar communities. When searching, use keywords like visa sponsorship, foreign workers welcome, relocation assistance, or just check the job description for immigration support. To improve your chances of getting hired, make sure you have a professional CV in English or French. Include any experience or certificates relevant to the job, mention your availability to relocate and willingness to do hard work, learn some basic French or German phrases. It gives you a big advantage, and prepare a motivation letter explaining why you want the job. For visa sponsorship, once you're hired, the employer usually helps with the work permit, residence permit, and sometimes accommodation for the first few months. Again, make sure to verify everything before signing anything, and never pay anyone upfront claiming they'll guarantee a job. To wrap up, yes, it is possible to get labor jobs in Luxembourg with visa sponsorship, but it requires effort, patience, and the right information. Start by applying to real companies, use verified platforms, and stay away from scammers. Luxembourg is a great country to work in. High wages, great social benefits, and a multicultural environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share it with someone who's looking for opportunities abroad. Have questions or want us to cover a specific country next? Drop a comment below. If you want us to personalize our guidance to your specific immigration need, you can book a one-on-one session with us today. The booking link is in the description under this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.